Hello! Hope you had a great summer and got some well-needed rest. We're really excited to be launching Season 5 of Game of Apps. On behalf of the past students, their parents, and all the volunteers, I want to thank you for your tremendous support these past 4 years. The Richmond School District was where it all started for us, and we are excited to continue partnering with you this season and the years to come. Based on past learnings, we have a number of exciting changes this year. First, we're launching our brand new middle years program for students in grade 6 through grade 9. We're using Swift Playgrounds, and the material is aligned with the BC Ministry of Education's ADST curriculum. This season, we also want to extend an offer for complimentary professional development to teachers who may wish to teach this program themselves in the future. Next, we've added a small self-directed course module called Game of Apps Basic Fundamentals. Students will complete this as a prerequisite to starting the regular Game of Apps program. Semester 1 of Game of Apps will then reinforce and build on top of this as students learn to apply these skills in the context of building apps and collaborating in teams. Semester 2 will take this to the next level as students exercise strategic and critical thinking in solving problems. The final result will be the student teams pitching their solutions and completed apps to a panel of judges from the industry and academia. Last year's provincial champions were a team from Richmond Secondary, but several of these students have now graduated. I wonder who will be this year's champions. Third, we've also packaged the Basic Fundamentals course as a standalone module. Many of our students in past seasons have taken leadership roles in a coding or app development club within their schools. They may use this course module as weekly materials in their club meetings. The Basic Fundamentals module may also be an alternative for students who don't have the time to commit to participating in the entire Game of Apps regular program. Registrations are now open, and both the regular and the middle years programs start in October. We truly appreciate your support in getting the word out to interested students and their parents. As always, please feel free to reach out to me via email or via one of our social media channels. We look forward to working with you and your students this season. Have a great day!